Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for deep dives into the hottest tools and tech that make your life easier. Today, we're talking about what is arguably the best blender for smoothies and ice crushing on the market right now. The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. This beast packs power, design, and smart technology, all in one countertop-friendly appliance. Let's get into what makes this blender a top-tier choice. First off, it brings serious power to the table. With 1400 peak watts under the hood, this isn't your average kitchen blender. Whether you're crushing ice, blending frozen fruits, or whipping up creamy ice cream, this machine gets it done fast and smooth. The total crushing blades are no joke. They'll pulverize even the toughest ingredients in seconds, giving you professional results right at home. Design-wise, the BN701 sports a sleek, modern look in dark gray that'll fit into any kitchen aesthetic. But it's not just about looks, the build is solid, and it's clear Ninja didn't cut corners. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher gives you more than enough room to make drinks for the whole family or meal prep for the week. And yes, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is as easy as the blending. But here's where it gets even smarter: Auto IQ technology. With 3 preset functions for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream, it takes all the guesswork out of blending. Just press a button and walk away. The blender uses timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to deliver consistent results every single time. It's like having a personal blend coach built into the machine. Now if you're new to blending or just need a little inspiration, Ninja's got your back. The BN701 comes with a 15-recipe inspiration guide, everything from green detox smoothies to indulgent frozen cocktails. It's a great starter pack to help you get the most out of your machine from day one. Inside the box, you're getting the 1400 peak watt motor base, the 72-ounce pitcher, stacked blade assembly, the lid, and of course, that recipe guide, quick start guide, and instruction manual. Everything you need to start blending straight out of the box. And for those wondering, yes, it's BPA-free and all dishwasher-safe parts can go on the top rack. It's built to last and designed with real user convenience in mind. Just keep in mind, it runs on 120 volts, so if you're using it outside the US, you might need a converter. All in all, the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender is a powerhouse with brains. Whether you're a smoothie lover, frozen drink enthusiast, or a parent trying to sneak some spinach into a fruit mix for the kids, this is a product that won't let you down. High power, smart features, easy cleaning, it checks all the boxes. That's it for today's product critique. If you're looking for the best blender for smoothies and serious ice crushing performance, the Ninja BN701 is more than worth your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more real reviews that help you shop smarter. See you in the next one.